Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to gather, export, or even import items from 1688, this website right here, to your Shopify website. Now that is going to be a really good one. So stay tuned until the end of the video. To get started, I want you first to go on this website, of course 1688, right? So open up your Shopify, and then open up your 1688. Once that's done, open up this option. So we're gonna go to the Chrome extensions and then go to Chrome website right there, and look for this one. It's called POKY. This is Shopify Product Importer. This is gonna be your key component for this video. Now it should be looking like this, and then make sure you add it on your extension and pin it so you can see it right there. Alright? Now once this is done, go to the 1688 website and basically click on it, log in, and then export everything you want to Shopify store. Now how to log in? Simply click on Add Store right here, click on your Shopify, and you'll be good to go. Basically that's it. Everything that's happening from Shopify to your 1688 can be seen over here. Awesome, right? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.